Hello, my name is Pierre Lafeuille and I work at Edouard Herriot Hospital HCL in Lyon, France with Professor Mathieu Pioche. We would like to thank our co-authors and the journal Endoscopy for giving us the opportunity to talk about our recently published article, Endoscopic submucosal dissection combined with clip closure of gastrointestinal fistulas, including those refractory to previous therapy. Our team has always considered fistulas as a therapeutic challenge. Surgical management is associated with high morbidity and mortality, and endoscopic closure of fistulas with a wide range of methods, although often effective in closing acute perforations and leaks, is disappointing in chronic fistulas. In chronic fistulas, indeed, the epithelialization of the fistulous tract is fixed, so combined approaches with both mucosal ablation and mechanical closure of the fistulous tract are mandatory. As an expert center in ESD, we decided to use ESD to combine the two advantages of having a controlled and complete mucosal ablation and using the healing process of ESD, which is retractable as known in circumferential esophageal ESD. The FESDC technique was born. We therefore conducted an explanatory retrospective study to show that ESD of the mucosal patch surrounding the fistulous orifice, combined with a clip closure in the submucosa, is capable of closing gastrointestinal fistulas, including those refractory to previous treatments. We included almost the largest number of patients with fistulas, with 57% of refractory fistulas to previous therapeutic. We had encouraging results with 70% of long-term success in naive fistulas and 54% in refractory ones, with a median follow-up of more than 1.5 years. However, such fistulas are rare and further studies are warranted. Although technically challenging, FESDC could be an effective and safe method to add to standard endoscopic strategies. Thank you very much.
Thank you.